Help!
What's the matter?
I just locked this damn motor up, dude. I was trying to tune it, and my mullet got caught in the damn pulley.
In the oh shit! In the torque converter.
Yeah. Can you go get me a beer?
I mean, I guess I could do that. Going in there, I'm even gonna drop a little down this tube. Get me a little bit on them valves, just to be safe. Just because I'm a real OG, and I like smoke anyways. I want all the smoke. So Blake got her done. He swears it's in time. He swears them valves are set at 69.
Tight butthole.
It's
well,
super
they're pretty loose.
They're pretty super tight butthole. Was.
Well, yeah, it was. Now all the airflow.
Nice.
Valves stay leaking.
Queefing in this month.
Yeah, we're queefing. Also known as the valve queef.
What's up, boys? Be sure and like and subscribe. We get this motor finished up here. You gotta tighten down this header, it's loose. I'm gonna let Blake have the pleasure of doing that. Got the oversized carb and intake, the valve cover, the valve springs, billet flywheel, the billet rod, I guess, governor delete, the JB Weld flat top. I mean, wrap that pipe, it's got the header on it. So we're gonna see what's what. We gotta put oil in it.
Yeah. Boys. This is it.
Nice.
Look at that. Looks like a freaking turbine motor.
Close to 17 horsepower. Built, right?
Oh yeah.
Tell them before you do it. You did. Who did the work on this?
Shit, I did that custom build.
All right, now, you were saying 17 horsepower?
Yes. I'm saying close to it.
How many pulls to get her fired?
I'm gonna say first pull.
Did you choke it?
On choke.
Let's see it. Wait, don't you roast this little marshmallow cream puff now?
Just put oil
Don't
in
be
here.
flame throwing.
So I'm gonna do just a couple of slow pulls to get that cylinder lubed up.
Pull rope to airport cable or aircraft cable. They probably don't need the choke, dog. It sounds dumpy. I think we're standing on the business end of this thing, Joe. Is the switch on?
Yeah.
Nice, bro. That's all I have.
Goes up at 8th of turn.
All right, now easy on her. First pull. Let's do a proper break. First pull. I can edit that. First pull. He's a witness. Nice, dude. Joe at your back.
That was first pull. Yeah, that was first pull.
That was first legit pull.
I think that was the first real pull.
You already kill it. Why is it smoking like a big bitch? All that oil you put in it? Did we lube up the, why would it be smoking? I can't remember. You got the rings on wrong. Stupid. Look at his dumb face. All right, break her in then.
All right, back up.
Boy, you bottoming out that old pull cord now.
You kind of got to.
All right. You got your switch on, I assume.
Fuck no. Dude.
Engine building 101. I told him I need a kill switch in the front before I ride this.
I don't have these forearms for no reason.
Dude, yeah, pulling, tune. This, I'm tuning.
It's only the right one that's big though.
He's tuning the motor. Blake's gapping the plug, and he thinks this tire's good for. He thinks she can get her going 50 plus. We're gonna put air in the tire, but I don't know, boys. Exceed.
Well, I want to do 60, but
that's the suspension, bro. Imagine if you had that under your mattress, how much easier it would be.
Can you see the Grand Canyon dry rot? Yeah, you can.
Master engine builder. Say it again.
Master engine builder.
Yeah. Terminator. For some reason, I think he put the transmission together wrong because we haven't got it to go into gear yet. But once we learn, mini bike guys don't know how to shift.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to shift it.
Once we learn to shift it, I think it's really going to be fun.
Yeah, I guess that means you can't smoke it very much.
Better put some more oil on her. Blake fucked my wheels up, you guys. One goes forward and one goes backwards. He got the transmission all out of whack on this 2-stroke Predator. One puller. We'll just switch on. Get used to riding it, bro. It's weird to turn, but stay close. Oh, hold up. Wait. Bro, it's a 3-wheeler, not a damn mini bike. Poor Ryobi. Blake likes that. And it wasn't topped out?
No, it still had more. I started hearing some bad noises up front. And something told me to stop.
Something told me let out?
Whole shot, boys.
Take this into consideration. This is the only belt we had long enough to run with this setup, but it's not as wide as the other one.
And it's tapered on both sides.
Yeah, it's
flat on one side.
It was for my tractor's water pump.
Yeah, it works.
It works. Oh, the fan, I mean. New wheels and tires. We're gonna have to figure out the steering stem bearing. We're gonna get new wheels and tires. We're gonna get a new front shock for it. We're gonna replace all these bushings. We're gonna make a custom gas tank for it and put a custom seat on it. New paint.
Stickers.
It's going to be repping Time Machine ATVs like you guys should be. So be sure and like and subscribe and share this video, man, because they thought we were bullshitting earlier. We bullshit. What stage is that? A 3?
Yep.
If I tell somebody that's a stage 3, there ain't one reason why they can't say hey.
Nope.
They ain't missing nothing.
They ain't missing a damn thing.
And the nitrous is in the mail.
Yeah, stage 4.
The nitrous is in the mail, boys. We're going to be spraying on this thing for fun. And I'm thinking it needs some 21, 22-inch tires on it.
Hell yeah.
So, and maybe even a little wider. I'm going to see what kind of hubs I can fit on there. And maybe switch this up to like a...
Shit, maybe. Maybe we might even go with a little bit smaller ones.
Oh, just
slicks.
Easier?
Slicks.
Oh,
it just straight up... Yeah, just drift the piss out of it.
We could. I could get 2 sets of tires for it.
Yeah, we could do one of each.
I could have the straight up big ones for long hauling and then just have some little ones for donut and stuff.